Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling airplane mode to cut cellular signals. This prevents roaming charges and forces Wi-Fi only. Once done, open Settings or swipe down the quick shade and tap airplane mode. Then immediately re-enable Wi-Fi from the same menu so the phone keeps radios off but allows wireless access. Make sure mobile data stays disabled. This ensures apps use the Wi-Fi connection only. You now have a safe baseline. No cellular traffic, but Wi-Fi ready for the... You next find and join the Wi-Fi network you want. Go to Settings Wi-Fi and pick the network. If it's password protected, enter the credentials. If it uses a captive portal, open your browser and complete the sign-in steps. Once connected, test the link by loading a simple web page or refreshing an app. If the connection fails, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then reconnect. Make sure background apps aren't forced to use mobile data. This keeps traffic on the Wi-Fi you enabled. You finish by optimizing. Disable background sync and limit updates to conserve battery and set screen settings for your flight. If the Wi-Fi stalls, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on. If that fails, restart the phone to clear temporary network glitches. If a captive portal won't load, forget the network and re-add it, then reopen the browser to trigger sign-in. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, verify the hotspot or router is online. Often the issue is the access point, not your phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.